Another adventure starts now on Toys and RC. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best RC cars for beginners in 2026. Simple, fun, and reliable choices. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific type of use, I'm here to help. For more details about each product, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Axial RC Truck 1/24th SCX24 Basecamp 4x4 Rock Crawler Brushed RTR is a compact, ready-to-run crawler built for fun right out of the box. It comes fully equipped with everything you need to start driving, making it ideal for beginners and experienced RC fans alike. The truck features a factory-finished body with detailed scale styling for a realistic off-road look. Its durable hinged body design allows quick access to the chassis with no body clips required, making maintenance and battery changes fast and simple. Control is handled by the Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio system for stable, responsive driving. Included in the package is a Spectrum 350 mAh LiPo battery and a convenient USB charger. With true 4x4 capability, solid crawling performance, and a rugged platform, the SCX24 Basecamp is perfect for indoor obstacles and outdoor trail adventures. Number 4. The Traxxas 1/10 Stampede 4x4 VXL brushless monster truck is built for drivers who want extreme speed, strength, and all-terrain performance straight out of the box. Designed for high-power bashing, it combines advanced electronics with heavy-duty hardware for serious action. At its core is the Valinian VXL 3S speed control paired with an oversized 540XL brushless motor, delivering massive torque and explosive acceleration. This system is built for high-speed runs and hard launches while maintaining smooth, reliable control. Factory-installed extreme heavy-duty suspension and drivetrain components raise the durability to the next level, helping the truck handle big jumps, rough landings, and aggressive driving with confidence. The huge 5.3-inch sledgehammer tires give the Stampede impressive ground clearance and a bold monster stance, improving traction and stability across dirt, grass, and mixed terrain. A built-in self-righting feature keeps the action going if the truck flips over. Just press a button and get back on your wheels. The rugged clipless body latching system provides secure mounting and quick, one-handed body removal for fast battery changes and maintenance. It's a powerful, tough, and user-friendly monster truck made for maximum fun. Number 3. The ARMA 1/10 Granite 4x42 3SBLX brushless monster truck RTR is designed to take drivers from beginner to pro-level speeds with confidence and control. It's a powerful, durable monster truck platform that's ready for action on a wide range of terrain. Its brushless system is 2S and 3S ready, giving you the flexibility to start at manageable speeds and scale up to high-performance driving as your skills grow. This makes it a great choice for new drivers who want room to progress without changing vehicles. Spectrum DSC, or Dynamic Stability Control, works together with built-in throttle limiting to help keep the truck stable and easier to handle, especially at higher speeds or on loose surfaces. The heavy-duty transmission and all-terrain suspension are built to handle hard driving, rough landings, and bumpy ground, delivering strong durability and consistent performance. It also features an aggressively styled truck body with a clipless body retention system for secure mounting and fast, tool-free removal. This model is ready to run. Just add your battery and charger, and you're set for high-impact monster truck fun. Number 2. The Traxxas 4x4 VXL HD is a high-performance brushless short course truck built for speed, strength, and race-ready action. It comes fully assembled and ready to race, making it a perfect choice for drivers who want top-tier performance with minimal setup. It features factory-installed Extreme HD components that upgrade key drivetrain and suspension parts for greater durability and impact resistance. This heavy-duty platform is designed to handle hard runs, rough terrain, and big landings with confidence. Power comes from the Valinian VXL 3S brushless power system, delivering strong acceleration, high top speeds, and smooth throttle response. It's built to support high-performance driving while maintaining reliable efficiency. The clipless body mounting system provides a clean look and secure fit, while allowing fast, tool-free removal with one hand for quick battery changes and maintenance. Just add a compatible battery and charger, and the /4x4 VXL HD is ready to hit the track or trail. Number 1. The Traxxas 1/10 Rustler 2 WD Stadium Truck HD is a fast, durable, and easy-to-use RC truck built for all-around performance and everyday fun. It comes with a clipless pre-painted stadium truck body that looks great and removes quickly with no clips or tools required. Factory-installed extreme heavy-duty suspension components increase strength and durability, helping the Rustler handle jumps, rough terrain, and aggressive driving with confidence. This model includes a 7-cell PowerCell NIMH battery and a 4-amp USB-C fast charger, so you can get charged up and back to driving quickly. The TQ 2.4 GHz radio system delivers dependable control and interference-free operation. With waterproof electronics, the Rustler is ready for all-weather, all-season RC excitement, whether you're driving on dirt, grass, or wet surfaces. It's a solid choice for drivers who want speed, toughness, and convenience in one complete package. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.